Hey guys, welcome back! Today we're making quinoa salad with creamy peanut dressing. This is the ultimate one bowl meal made with super ingredients. Let's get started. For the dressing, I'm using natural peanut butter, soy sauce, white vinegar, honey, sriracha, and sambal chili paste for some added kick, juice of 1 lime, and sesame oil. Mix well until it gets smooth and creamy. This dressing is nutty, tangy, and slightly sweet and spicy. For the salad, I'm using red quinoa, which I cooked the night before. I'm also adding finely shredded Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, chopped tomatoes, shredded carrots, chopped red onion, scallions, and cilantro. The dressing was a little thick, so I added a tiny bit of water to thin it out. Toss the salad right before you serve. This makes 2 large servings. Would you use quinoa or another favorite grain or protein? Let me know in the comments. Top with avocado, chopped peanuts, and a squeeze of lime. The hearty vegetables are crunchy, the dressing is creamy and so well balanced. Hope you tried this recipe for quinoa salad with peanut dressing. Let me know how it goes. See you at the next one.